Oh no, I guess I can't get inside. I need to call hospital. I can't get inside, I don't have a key. Hi guys, I'm done working. So it's so white, guys. It's snowing. It's not so much, but this morning it was a lot, so I need to use umbrella. And someone already cleaned the road, so it's not so much snow. It's so white here. Oh no, I need to run! No! Oh, it didn't stop. The bus didn't stop, so I need to wait 15 minutes more. Okay. Because I didn't check the apps, so I was late for 1 minute or few seconds. Ay, ay, ay. There's the train station there, so I will go on the other side, so I will walk through that way there. On the other side of it. So maybe I was filming because there's a lot of people here. It's so slippery, guys, and it is a little bit awkward to film here because there's a lot of people and they're not used to it. Train station that's going to Oslo. This is a train station, guys, here in Asker, and it's not city but a little bit smaller than the city. And it has a train station, bus station, anything here. Mall, a lot of stores, and I'm just 10 minutes away from the center. This is my first time, guys, walking there, so it's exciting. Wait, guys, that building there, you can see, that's the road. That's the European road that connects to the countries in Europe. A lot of traffic on the morning going to the Oslo, and a lot of traffic in the afternoon too going out of Oslo. So I will go through the bridge there, small bridge there. By the way, guys, if maybe I forgot to tell you why I'm going this way than the usual, because I'm going to the apartment that we bought before, and where's the way here? Yeah, so this is my first time to go there alone, because we usually take car, and now I came from work and I will go there, and hubby will just drive there after work too. So maybe he's coming like maybe in 1 hour, because I'm working very near to the apartment that we just bought, and hubby is like 45 minutes drive, so it takes a lot of time. And oh yeah, it's not so bad. I thought it's so uphill, but it was not. And where I'm going now? Oh yeah, there's a shortcut here. Oh, I'm so tired now. Maybe I'm gonna take off my scarf. Yeah, and there, guys, is I'm not so sure if it's the, yeah, I guess this is the main road too. There. So it's 5 minutes more walk. See guys, it's all white here. It's a lot of snow in this area here in Norway. But I guess almost all the part in Norway is snowing, except those places going to Sweden that they don't have so much snow. I need to find out where should I go, because I guess I'm so lost here. Okay. Oh my god, I can't find a way. I need to open my jacket because I'm so warm. Oh, they have a basketball court here. Finally, I'm here. So I have here the key with me. So here. So I'm just gonna do like this. Right now. So, just as that. And I will take elevator. Finally! Ganda mag-selfie dito, no? So I need to take, where's my, so I need to take, oh no! I guess I can't get inside. Oh. I need to call hospital. I can't get inside, I don't have a key. Oh yeah, du här! Hi! Så bra! Och du har inte någon nyckel?
Nej, det var inte det.
Jag har bara sån engångsnyckel och så källare. Så jag skulle ringa mannen min då.
Ja, han kommer snart.
Ja, han kommer snart. Var det din första dag idag, eller?
Nej,
Nej?
det var igår.
Oh ja,
Det var
igår.
igår någonting närmare.
Oh ja.
Gott som morgon och så. Förberedelse.
Ja,
Och så idag.
Jeg har ikke vært her hvor lenge siden, ikke så forrige uke, jeg har ikke vært her.
Nej.
Nei, så vi skal male litt.
Ja. Jag ser han är flink att måla han.
Ja. Så fint der da.